Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome back to computer class, and today I'm going to start new chapter. Chapter number 4, operating a computer. And here is a part 1 of this chapter. So in last chapter you learned about how does a computer work, on which basic step computer work. Now today I'm going to explain you about how to operate a computer. It means that if you have a computer and if you want to work on it, how you will operate it, which step you will follow to start computer. Okay, so let's begin it.
Okay, so here is your chapter number 4, operating a computer. In the third chapter, you learn about how does a computer work. What is the meaning of that chapter? That computer work on which step? Computer work on which basic step? कंप्यूटर कौन से बेसिक स्टेप्स को परफॉर्म करता है या वर्क करता है? That thing I explain you in a third chapter, right? But in the fourth chapter now you have to learn that how to operate a computer. That if you have a computer or a laptop at home, or you are sitting on a computer for work in a school, for practical work in a school. So you all know about it, that how does a computer work and how to operate a computer. Because of you, for you, these two chapters are very important. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ चैप्टर कंप्यूटर के आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Because in a third chapter, your book is going to tell you that in which manner computer work. Computer कैसे work करता है. And in the fourth chapter, computer book teaching you that how to operate a computer. Okay, so there are few steps for operating a computer. If you are using your computer or a laptop for the first time, so at that time, which steps you have to follow, that thing I will explain you in this chapter. So let's begin it. Operating a computer. Children, in the previous chapters, we have learned about the parts and function of a computer. I already show you some parts of a computer like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and the functions of a computer like that on input, process, and output. On this function, computer work. Okay, so you all learned in this previous chapter this thing. Now let's see what is the telling you next. Now let us learn how to work on a computer. अब हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे हमें कंप्यूटर पे वर्क करना है. Right? Let's do it. To start a computer, follow these steps. Okay, so here are few steps which you have to follow to start a computer. Okay, let's see. The first one, what is this? This is a picture of switchboard. We are using this switchboard for plugging the computer plug. ओके, कंप्यूटर प्लग को इसमें डालने के लिए हम इसका यूज करते हैं. स्विच सप्लाई, मेन सप्लाई बटन या तो स्विच बोर्ड का. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप सबको पता है दैट कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन एंड विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंप्यूटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. So this is a switch board. main supply power button which you have to on. So switch on the main power supply button. देखो कैसे स्विच ऑन कर दी, राइट ना. सो सबसे पहले जहां पे कंप्यूटर को प्लग किया हुआ है उसके मेन सप्लाई बटन को ऑन स्विच ऑन करना है. सो स्विच ऑन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. बिकॉज you not start this switch, computer will not start because no electricity power, no computer work. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, जहां पे कंप्यूटर का प्लग लगाया है उस स्विच को ऑन करना है. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. सो स्विच ऑन द मेन पावर सप्लाई बटन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट थिंग. दिस इज यूपीएस, नॉट सीपीयू. अब ये क्या है, यूपीएस है. And when it is working, when it is used, so let's see, switch on the UPS button. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. If you connected this UPS with your computer, so it will help you when the electricity power goes off. जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट हो जाएगी तब भी ये यूपीएस की हेल्प से आपका कंप्यूटर चलता रहेगा, वर्क करता रहेगा. So it means that you have this UPS. If you have that, it is optional, compulsory नहीं है. UPS compulsory नहीं है, आपको ऐड करना है नहीं करना है, it is up to you. Okay, so this is UPS and UPS button for secondly आपको start करना है. तो switch on the UPS button. When it will help to us, कब हमें ये help करेगा, if the electricity goes off, जब electricity power चला जाएगा, कट जाएगा, the UPS makes the computer work. So computer को कौन work करने में help करेगा, UPS. Okay, now the third step, switch on the power supply button of the CPU. This is a CPU. अब थर्ड स्टेप है टू स्विच ऑन द CPU पावर बटन. ये रहा. ओके, इट इज डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट CPU. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे ही होगा, डिफरेंट CPU बटन में, CPU में डिफरेंट प्लेस पे CPU बटन होते हैं, पावर बटन होते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आपका थर्ड स्टेप है पावर बटन ऑन करना जो CPU से, जो जहां पे भी हो, जिस भी CPU में जैसा भी हो. Okay, so switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Now next, switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. Okay, what you have to do then afterward? Switch on. Last step is to switch on the monitor button. ये रहा monitor button. You have to switch on and then wait for some time, क्योंकि आपको यहाँ डिस्प्ले करेगा starting your windows. Windows मतलब not our window, house window नहीं, कंप्यूटर की विंडो. ठीक है, तो वो स्टार्ट हो रही है, ऐसा मैसेज आएगा that starting your window. Okay, see you can see ऐसे आएगा. ठीक है, you will find a welcome screen of Windows. जब ये कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट होगा तब ऐसे लिखा होगा starting Windows, and जैसे ही स्टार्ट हो जाएगा then afterward you will get the welcome screen of Windows. Look at this. Please wait, please wait, please wait, ऐसा लिखा हुआ आएगा, and then afterward you can see the welcome. Look, here is written welcome now. Okay, so welcome means welcome to the computer world. Okay, you will find a welcome screen of Windows. Then your computer start. Understood? Now let's see the next topic. Children, you will enjoy using Windows. It is very easy to use. So, children, you will enjoy using Windows operating system. Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Okay, Windows is the most popular program for the computer, जिसकी help से computer चलता है, work करता है. Okay, so Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Okay, let's see the next thing. What is the first screen when your welcome screen come? और जब आपकी welcome screen आती है उसके बाद जो first screen है उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? What we call it? So the first screen displayed on your monitor screen appears on a starting of a computer is known as desktop. जो first screen आपके screen पे दिखाई देती है we call it desktop. So this whole screen is known as desktop. What is it? Desktop. Let's see the next thing. The desktop holds many small pictures known as icon. You can see here small picture. यहाँ पे desktop पे small pictures है. We call this small picture as an icon. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Icon बोलेंगे. ठीक है? Next is the thin bar at the bottom of this desktop is called taskbar. Desktop की जो bottom में है, the thin bar, what horizontal bar is known as taskbar. Is known as taskbar. Okay. Then the last one is a start button, which is on a left hand side. Okay. So students, let's see one more time. Desktop means what? That whenever you start computer जब start करोगे और first screen जो आएगी उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Desktop बोलेंगे. This whole screen is known as desktop. What is the icons? So a small picture on a desktop is known as icon. A small picture on the desktop is known as icons. Okay. Now the taskbar. What is this taskbar? So bottom of the screen of a desktop, there is a one thin bar, horizontal bar, downside bottom of the screen, एकदम नीचे, right? So that one is called a taskbar. उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? टास्क बार बोलेंगे. और टास्क बार पे जो फर्स्ट बटन होता है सर्कल राउंड बटन, इट इज कॉल्ड अ स्टार्ट बटन. व्हाट इज इट? स्टार्ट बटन. सो दिस इज द ओवरव्यू ऑफ योर फर्स्ट स्क्रीन ऑफ अ विंडो. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट थिंग. व्हेन यू peep through your window, बेडरूम विंडो, जब आपके बेडरूम की विंडो से आप बाहर देखते हो या आपके घर की विंडो से बाहर देखते हो, सो व्हाट यू कैन सी? You can able to see only one thing or different views? Yes, we can see a different views. Okay, whatever is available there, what is the view is there, you can able to see. In the same way, you can open and view many program in Windows. Which Windows? Computer Windows. Okay, let's see the next thing, like a paint, movies, then music and games. What you can do in a computer? Which program you can do use? So paint, movies, music and game. Drawing कर सकते हो, movies देख सकते हो, music सुन सकते हो और games भी खेल सकते हो. You can play a games also, just like you are playing games in a phone. Understood? So this all things you can do in a Windows. Now the starting program. Okay, about the starting program, I will explain you in a next video. Okay, everyone. So here I'm going to stop it. Next time I will start from starting a program. That how to start program in a computer. I hope how to use computer, how to start computer, you all understand, right? So have a good day ahead.